What is going on, everybody? This is your boy Vlad coming with a quick video. So, this video is actually intended to give my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ all praise and honor because truly without Him, none of this would be possible for me. And also, this video is intended to encourage the new people who are beginning their journey in trading. I know when it comes to trading, you don't know what you don't know. Um, and just looking back at my journey and how everything started off, I remember when I first looked at Rolling Wolf's chart, I came across his, and I was just thinking to myself, like, can I really do this? Like, what he did, what he's still doing is freaking amazing, in my opinion. I think he started with $3,700 and he turned that into 916,000 in less than what 2 3 years, which is amazing. And when I came across this chart, I was just going through it trade by trade. I actually went back and viewed majority of his trades, and I was just looking like, wow, is this something that I could really do? And the answer to that question, if you're thinking the same thing, can you really do it? The answer is absolutely yes. I'm nothing special. Um, I don't even think I'm that smart at all. I think I'm average. When it comes to intellects, can't really form a good sentence. But yeah, anyways. But yeah, the answer to the question, it is yes. I think if you really put your mind to it and if you dedicate yourself to it, then yes, you would be able to see these type of results. Though I'm not, there on a Rolling Wolf level or Stephen Duck's level, I think that now I'm starting to grasp and get the concept down where I think my account size should be able to progress. I mean, through the grace of God, um, to be able to progress even further because I started with my account size $2,100 the ending of July 2019, um, and slowly but surely, I just started picking up. And I called this. If you read my blog post, I called these areas. Well, this first area here, I call this was not taking profit. This area I call not taking profit when they get the home run trade. So that's why here you've seen a lot of consolidation on my end. Then when it finally snapped, I was like, you know what? Let me just go back to what was working. We're working over here. Then I have this exponential growth. So once you do find success, because there's so many different ways to trade in the stock market, there's so many different patterns. What works for me may not work for you. So that's why I encourage you guys to look for different, test out new strategies, test out old strategies, just test everything because something that may click for you may not click for me. Like, for example, I always make this reference. I am terrible at buying breakouts. I cannot buy a breakout. Um, well, let me not say cannot. Um, it's challenging. That's a better word. I have a challenge uh, making money with a breakout pattern. So I eliminated breakout from my whole repertoire. So majority of the time, I may play it like once in a blue moon, but probably 90% of the time, I'm not looking for breakout patterns. Um, so I just from this little growth here, from roughly what 6,000 to 23,000 in less than what 2 3 months. I all I did was just implement what worked here, but with just a bigger account. This phase right here, I call greed plus stubbornness. See, my account dipped. I was up $23,000. It dipped all the way down to $12,000. And the thing about it too, I was able to make that money back in a fairly quick amount of time because by just going back to this phase up, and now I'm able to pass my target goal because my target goal was to always pass $25,000. $25,000 in profit was just the level where I felt like if I'm able to do that with a small account, then I'm able to take that same amount of money and to transform that into $100,000. So my next big goal is to change $25,000 into $100,000, and I'm looking to try to do that maybe in the next 6 months. So it may come sooner, but if I keep doing this here, then I shouldn't have any problem. As long as I stay away from this and this mindset, then I think that's very accomplished. That I could get that accomplished. So right now, today's April 17th, 2020. Um, my profit right now is $26,432, and that number is going to change tomorrow. Actually, going to go up a little bit due to the trades that I made today. But guys, this is very very doable. It's not going to come overnight. This looked like it came overnight for me, but in the background, before I actually started trading this, I actually spent maybe like 4 or 5 months, maybe even longer than that, 6 months, 7 months, studying, learning, and paper trading. I wasn't, trading with a real account. I think I traded. I started trading with an account like it was a paper money with. I'm gonna say maybe like 100 grand, which wasn't realistic. So I would recommend doing something more realistic. But I was trading with the $100,000 account, and with that $100,000 account, I made $20,000 my first month of me paper trading. So I was like, oh my god, give me some money, let's get this ball rolling. But I slowly progressed in it, and I think with that experience, it helped me catapult this level of growth in this short amount of time. Like I tell everybody, like a lot of time I don't sit and think to see like how much I have made in terms of real dollar amount, because the money itself is in my brokerage account. So I did take some out, but some out for other expenses that I had come up. But the majority of the time, 99% of the time, majority of the money's in my brokerage account. And with that, $26,000 in the real world, as far as a profit, that I was doing this part time, not even work, not even doing this full time, just part time on my days off. That is amazing in itself, and that's why I say I truly give God the honor for this, because I know without Him, none of this is possible. So, for the newbies, for the new people who are coming along, just stay encouraged. This is very possible. Just study your butt off. Any information that you can find, there's tons of information on YouTube. Um, I view myself as a resource. Whatever I could do to try to help you become a better trader, feel free to reach out to me. Like I said, I'm an open book. So yeah, so hopefully this helps you out, and let's kill this. Let's kill this for the rest of the year, and let's make this our greatest year. This is Vlad signing off. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace. And side note, tomorrow's my birthday.